Hello and welcome. Today we're showcasing the GEDORE 1,590-1657 OX 235 E-0802 Forestry Hatchet, weighing 800 grams. This handy tool is perfect for woodworking and gardening, making tasks easier and more efficient. It features a finely polished cutting edge for precise and smooth cuts every time. Crafted with high-grade materials and intelligent design, each tool receives close attention from qualified staff. The hatchet's head is 800 grams with a 110mm blade and a 380mm handle for balance control. Forged in Ramshay, Germany, this forestry hatchet embodies quality and durability since 1781. Trust GEDORE for a reliable tool that combines tradition with modern production methods. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.